Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0128 signifies a cooling system malfunction, which can be prevalent in Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, means that there is an issue, likely with the engine's temperature regulation system, that primarily involves the thermostat and the Engine Coolant Temperature, ECT sensors. When the engine is cold, the thermostat must remain closed to allow the engine to heat up effectively. A failing thermostat may cause the vehicle to stay too cold or overheat. The ECT sensors are crucial sensors that monitor the temperature of the coolant and relay this information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to help in efficient engine operation. These components are usually located along the engine cooling system pipeline, with the ECT sensor typically placed near the engine block and the thermostat situated in the coolant outlet housing. Recognizing the symptoms of this DTC is essential to ensure optimal vehicle performance and longevity. The DTC P0128 indicates a malfunction in the engine's cooling system. This code usually points to a failure in the thermostat or the engine coolant temperature sensors, namely ECT Sensor 1 and ECT Sensor 2. The thermostat is responsible for regulating the flow of coolant to maintain optimum engine temperature, while the ECT sensors measure the temperature of the coolant to provide feedback to the PCM. Typically, the thermostat is located in the outlet of the coolant system near the engine, and the ECT sensors are positioned along the coolant flow path. The failure can lead to various performance issues, such as poor fuel efficiency, inadequate heating of the cabin, and potential engine overheating if not diagnosed and repaired promptly. It's crucial for the vehicle's cooling performance that these components function properly. The possible causes for DTC P0128 primarily include a faulty thermostat, malfunctioning ECT sensors, or issues within the electrical circuits that power these components. A faulty thermostat can either be stuck open, causing the engine to run cooler than necessary, or stuck closed, leading to overheating. ECT sensors may fail to provide accurate temperature readings if they are defective, corroded, or experiencing connectivity issues. Additionally, electrical problems, such as poor connections or short circuits in the wiring harness, can interrupt sensor feedback to the PCM, causing a malfunction in the cooling system. Identifying these issues is critical, as ignoring them can lead to significant engine performance problems and potential damage. Symptoms associated with DTC P0128 often include poor heating performance in the vehicle's cabin, increased fuel consumption, and fluctuations in engine temperature. Drivers may notice that the cabin does not warm up adequately during colder seasons, leading to discomfort while driving. This is indicative of a malfunctioning thermostat or ineffective coolant circulation. Additionally, the vehicle may experience reduced fuel efficiency since the engine is unable to reach and maintain optimal operating temperatures. Fluctuations in temperature readings can result from faulty ECT sensors or thermostat issues, which may illuminate the check engine light. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in taking timely corrective actions to avoid more severe problems. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0128, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the onboard diagnostic system to activate and prepare for troubleshooting. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool to clear any existing DTCs. This action simplifies the diagnostic process, ensuring accurate real-time readings of the vehicle's systems. After clearing the codes, turn the blower switch off and check the current parameter values related to fan control commands. Specifically, monitor the fan high control and fan low control signals, ensuring they reflect the correct off status as expected. If the current conditions align with predetermined thresholds, proceed to the next troubleshooting step where further diagnostic checks are performed. In this second step of troubleshooting for DTC P0128, inspect the radiator fan's operation carefully. The radiator fan plays a crucial role in regulating engine temperature by expelling heat generated from the engine's coolant. Start by observing if the fan continues to run after clearing the DTC and ensuring the engine is off. If the radiator fan is running, it may indicate the system is working to cool the engine effectively, and you should proceed to the next troubleshooting step. However, if the fan does not operate, there might be an issue with either the fan motor or its electrical circuit. Understanding the fan's operational status is key to diagnosing cooling system effects on the engine's performance. The third troubleshooting step for DTC P0128 involves a thorough inspection of the radiator fan circuit and the radiator fan relay. This step is crucial as the relay controls power to the fan, and any faults here can lead to fan inoperability. Check the integrity of the electrical connections and confirm the relay is functioning as intended. If the checks indicate that the circuit and relay are operational, refer to authorized service information for additional diagnostics related to DTC P0128. If any faults or failures are discovered in the circuit or the relay, immediate repairs should be made to restore functionality. Proper repair of these components ensures that the cooling system can maintain the required temperatures, preventing potential overheating issues. The fourth troubleshooting step for DTC P0128 requires letting the engine cool down to a temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, or lower before proceeding. This cooling period is essential as it ensures accurate temperature readings from the ECT sensors. Use the HDS to observe both ECT sensor 1 and ECT sensor 2 values in the data list during this time. Initially, note these recordings as they will serve as baseline measurements. Once the engine is restarted, let it idle and monitor ECT sensor 1 until its temperature rises by 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius, or more from the recorded start temperature. This process helps determine the responsiveness of the ECT sensors and can assist in diagnosing whether the thermostat is working properly. After observing the rise in temperature, further readings from ECT sensor 2 provide insights into coolant temperature consistency across both sensors. In the final repair verification stage for DTC P0128, it is vital to ensure that repairs were successful and that the cooling system is functioning properly. Start by monitoring the engine temperatures again under the same conditions as recorded during the initial diagnostic evaluation. This includes testing the ECT sensors for accuracy in temperature readings. If the sensors provide consistent readings and the thermostat maintains the engine temperature within optimal ranges, it indicates the repair was effective. However, if the DTC resurfaces or the symptoms persist, further investigation into wiring, connections, and component functions is warranted. It's essential to confirm proper operation within the entire cooling system to prevent future issues. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0128 and associated cooling system malfunctions. Regularly checking the coolant levels helps identify potential leaks or degradation before they escalate into bigger problems. Additionally, periodic testing of the thermostat ensures it is functioning as intended, preventing issues related to overheating or inadequate cabin heating. Keeping an eye on electrical connections related to the ECT sensors and the fan relay can prevent electrical faults due to wear and corrosion. Routine engine diagnostics and checks for any outstanding DTCs can also facilitate early detection of problems. Following these preventive measures can help maintain optimal performance and longevity of the vehicle. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0128 requires a systematic approach to diagnosing and repairing the cooling system malfunctions. Key components like the thermostat and ECT sensors play vital roles in controlling the engine's temperature, and understanding their functions is essential for effective troubleshooting. Early identification and resolution of symptoms can prevent significant engine damage and enhance overall vehicle performance. Continuous monitoring of the cooling system is recommended after any repairs. Regular maintenance practices, including checking coolant levels and the condition of electrical connections, are necessary to mitigate future issues. By focusing on these aspects, vehicle owners can ensure the longevity and efficiency of their Honda CRV. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.